Hello students. In ninth topic, current electricity. Now we are going to discuss about galvanometer. It is a device used to measure electric current flowing through the circuit. This galvanometer, the internal structure of galvanometer is as shown in this diagram. This galvanometer consists of a rectangular coil suspended between two poles of strong magnet. These two poles are horseshoe in shaped, means the shape of these poles are similar to the ear of horse. If the current flows through this rectangular coil, this coil deflects so that the pointer attached to this rectangular coil gets change its position over this angular scale, so that the position of this pointer gives us the value of current flowing through this galvanometer. Thus, the deflection of coil changes the position of pointer, and this position of pointers gives us the value of current flowing through this rectangular coil. Thus, this galvanometer is used to detect or measure the current flowing through the circuit. Thus, a galvanometer is used as an ammeter. Ammeter means a device which can measure electric current flowing through the conductor. Similarly, by certain setting of this galvanometer is also used as voltmeter. Voltmeter means to measure the voltage between the circuit. Thus, this galvanometer is used as an ammeter and a voltmeter. We will see in detail how the galvanometer is used as an ammeter and how it is used as a voltmeter. So, thank you students.